Here's a simple Python code, and can you find the output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. Here, as you can see, we are trying to print mod and then the value of I depending on this loop. So many of you might have got that this loop will learn from 10 minus 5 into 2, which is 10. So there will be mod I from 0 to 10. But let's run the code and see what happens. As you can see, we haven't got anything in the output. But why? Let me explain. Now as you know, the value of x was 10 and the value of y was 5. And we have to just focus on this expression. So when we put the values, we get this expression of 10 minus 5 star 2. And now many of you have made the mistake of subtracting this first and then multiplying the result with 2, which will give you 10. But this is the wrong answer, because in Python, multiplication have more priority than subtraction. So first Python is going to do the multiplication, which will give you 10, and 10 minus 10 is 0. Therefore, when you run the code, you get nothing.